Polarlander is 15 years manufacturer professional in car stereo player. Today I introduce one hot cell CarPlay monitor. This CarPlay monitor equipped with a 2.5K HD front camera and HD rear camera. This touchscreen dashcam supports split-screen mode, display front and rear view images on the screen simultaneously when reversing for more effective and safe driving. The package includes a 64 GTF card, and the system automatically enters recording mode once inserted. Stable Bluetooth and FM transmission. The car radio has built-in Bluetooth for hands-free calling and audio streaming, ensuring safe and convenient driving. The unit also has built-in speakers that it can be transferred to your car speakers for louder sound. The car radio can connect to the FM transmitter frequency-to-frequency wireless transmission, keeping the same channel with the original FM radio. All sounds are sent to the car speaker for play. This car DVR features an HD IPS screen with 1600*600 resolution and a 178° full viewing angle, providing a better viewing experience and larger visual effects. Car stereo with HD IPS touchscreen. This car DVR features an HD IPS screen with 1600*600 resolution and a 178° full viewing angle, providing a better viewing experience and larger visual effects. Important tips, such as navigation prompts, are clearer than traditional display screens. Easy installation and fit for various cars. Our unit can be plugged and play directly with the dashboard via a cigarette lighter, eliminating the need to disassemble the car console and preserving the original radio. It fits all different car brands, such as Ford, Chevrolet, Buick, Jeep, Mercedes-Benz, BMW, Lexus, Toyota, Nissan, Honda, Kia, Hyundai, and more.